We go back to sleep. I'm up already as well. Like find portable pieces of the goat meat and I cut them into smaller chunks. Finally, I saw Titus. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another day. It's Friday morning. Mm, and you guys, honestly, once I get up in the morning, to fix up his breakfast or pack his lunch or whatever, like I don't usually go back to sleep. I'm up already as well. Like I'm getting things done. There is no exception. Like you saw our goat meat came yesterday. So we took delivery of our goat meat yesterday, and while we were waiting for it, Obi had already said, "Oh, it would be nice to have like goat meat pepper soup." So I did know, like he said at different instances, I knew that he wanted goat meat pepper soup, and I knew he would have loved to come home to goat meat pepper soup yesterday. But you guys, I did not have both the physical and the mental capacity to do any of that. You guys saw I was one or two delivery of the freezer of the meat. I had to clear this place off. Yesterday was a lot. So this morning, and guess what? Because of goat meat pepper soup, even me too, I want goat meat pepper soup. So because of that, I was like dreaming of cooking goat meat too. Like I legit dreamt that I was cooking goat meat. So this morning, now after I left for work, I just did the dishes straight off. I started cleaning meat, and also, next week Friday they're having, is it a cookout or something like that at his office? So everybody's asked to bring any dish of their choice from their country of origin, like their native food, anything at all. So we are thinking of not making jollof because definitely somebody will bring jollof rice because he has other Nigerian, what's it called, colleagues as well. So it's like somebody would definitely bring jollof. So since we have goat meat, I was like, let's do. What about asum? I've already thought of asum before. For thankfully, the goat meat came around that time, so I'm going to make asum. So I also decided, since we agreed on what we were going to make this morning, I started out prepping the meat. So I had to start cutting. I cut off. So I decided to, find cuttable pieces of the goat meat and I cut them into smaller chunks. So this I will be using next week to make the asum. So I did this so that by that time I won't be, stressing. I just need to boil it and just carry. This is just me prepping ahead. But this morning, I'm going to be cooking all of this goat meat. Some of them I will be using for the asum. No, sorry, not asum. Some of them I will be using for the goat meat pepper soup, and the rest for other soups and other food that I will be eating in the coming week. These are finely chopped onions and pepper that I want to use for my omelette this morning. And this is the blend, the onion, garlic, ginger blend that's going in my meat. So my goat meat is done. Yeah, this is not everything. I took out the one. This is the one I'm going to use for pepper soup. So I took it out so that it doesn't overcook, and then I've completely cooked this one. So I just prepped that one ahead of later in the evening. So that's going to be our dinner. We're going to have it with boiled rice. Yep. So one mission accomplished. Hey. Oh my god. Oh my. Hey. Oh, this light. I no more. So yo, I've been editing and I'm almost done. I'll say I'm 90% done. I just need to add music to the video. So I want to make dinner. You guys know I already prepared my um goat meat halfway. So now I want to blend this. This is going to be like the base for my pepper soup. So I have in here white onions and red onions, some scotch bonnets, one chili pepper, just leftover green onions that I have at home as well. And also there's garlic. There's garlic and there's ginger there. You guys, I didn't used to put garlic in my pepper soup before. Ginger I know because of the kick, but but like I didn't used to put garlic. But Oluchi Asumani's pepper soup recipe on Instagram, that pepper soup looked too lit for me not to try it. So that's also I'm going to be using as a method as well for this pepper soup. I've used it the last time I made pepper soup. I used it when I made turkey pepper soup some weeks back. So yeah, I'm going to do that. So yeah, I just want to blend this now. And now food is ready. I'm having it with boiled rice, of course. Good night, guys. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Oof. So today I am going meat shopping. I'm going grocery shopping, sha, but basically I'm going to buy chicken. Christmas is coming and I need chicken to make my Christmas dinner, my Christmas food. So yeah, I'm going to a place that was described to me by a friend. So I'm going to carry you guys along. Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome again to the vlog. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. In fact, like the video right now so you do not forget. Leave me a comment below before you exit the video. And yeah, let's go on with the vlog. So I decided to go to Dollarama first to pick some items that I needed before heading over to Lorry Meat. Yes, guys, Lorry Meat was where I went to, and you guys, I can't wait to go back again because I got good prices. The beef, the chicken, everything was very affordable, as you will come to see. I'm going to show you guys all that I got. This grocery run was not as quick as it appears because the line in this store, I don't know if this is how it always is, but the line was crazy. Hi guys, I am back and I am so exhausted, you guys, but it was a good market run. So I want to show you what I got. The prices at that Lorry Meat, they were very nice. They were very good. The only thing that I didn't find cheap was this pepper. I don't know how spicy it's going to be. I just saw it and it's pepper, so I packed it. But since it was not red, I didn't take so much. So I picked this. And this is $6.74. Guys, oopsie. I got add chicken, three for $10. So all this chicken, you guys, for $10. I also picked peak milk. I picked two cans of this condensed milk. Hmm. Two cans of this because you guys, I'm beginning to find the milk that I've been using boring. Plus, I find that it purges my husband, so I decided to buy peak milk. I also got this carnation evaporated milk. I'm going to put the price because I can't find the receipt. I'll put the price there. I got some chicken drumsticks. All of these for $14.84. Walmart could never. Walmart could never. See these chunky drumsticks, you guys, for $14.84. You see this beef for stew for $20. If I had bought this from Walmart, this is what I would have gotten for 20 something or $30 or something like that. I also got turkey wings, all of this for $17. And I saw Titus finally. I saw Titus. So this is mackerel fish, what we know as Titus. I got these for $22.74. These were about 5 whole mackerel fish. So those are all the things I got from Lorry Meat. Right? Yeah. Those are all I got from Lorry Meat. I also went to Dollarama, like you saw. I'll show you what I got from Dollarama. I'll confirm. From Dollarama, I got this pastry brush. You guys, I wanted to buy like cookie cutter. I didn't decide on time. When I first saw it, I was like, no, am I going to have time to do this? So I left it. I did other things. When I was about checking out, I'm like, go get that cookie cutter. So I went back to get cookie cutter. That was when I picked this. But guess what? Guess what? I could not find the cookie cutter again. I'm like, I looked. I said, I'm sure I saw it. Yeah, you guys. If you don't make up your mind, that person will just carry the thing. So I guess somebody has picked it. I'm like, wow, just within how many minutes? So I couldn't get a cookie cutter. I wonder how I'll cut it. The cookies I want to make. I got another storage container because yeah, I'll be doing more batch cooking, in preparation for work resumption. So I got these foil what's it called, plates for when or if we have guests this festive period and want to pack something for them to go home with. And Obi is having a cookout at his office, so I got these. I think more likely he's going to use this one too, but just in case, I got this one sha as extra. But these ones, I like them so much, like they are so cute. So I got two. So we'll be using these to pack food for his cookout at the office. So I got those. How much, Steph? Okay, these ones cost $1.25. It's a set of three. Same thing. $2. These ones cost $2, and these ones cost $4 for the set. I also got some vinegar for my vegetables. This placement mat for when we want to eat, to place on the center table. Got it for $1.75. And you guys, so random. But I picked spaghetti from Dollarama because they look so cheap. I was even looking for the expiry date safe. But since I picked two, I think I'm good. $1 each, you guys. And at the other stores, you find the big one, which I'm thinking is like 2 in 1. You find it for like $2 and some change. So I think this is a good price. That's all I got, and I also picked out some menthol um sweet candies. So that's it for the all, you guys. I am so tired. I'm just going to warm up my leftover pancakes from in the morning. It's already getting dark, you guys. That's how long I've been out for. Like that place is not like I couldn't vlog there because like it's not like you know a chill store where you walk in. Like there were lots of people. I was on the queue for over 1 hour just to get attended to, you guys. It's not beans. I'm like, nobody prepared me for this. So like that place was very, very rowdy. But it was a successful one. I am glad that I was able to go. Now we are sorted, meat wise, pepper wise, everything wise. Oh, one more thing, rice. I've not gotten rice. I saw yam, but those yams were not tantalizing. They were not appealing. I don't know. I didn't pick it. I'm like, I'm good with my Irish potatoes for now. So maybe another time, maybe next year I'll buy yam. But for now, I'm like, it's not worth my money. So that is all for now. I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to be vlogging anything today. I just want to chill. I'll see you guys later. Bye.